So now, how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in the Audi A5. Make sure that your Bluetooth is switched on. So Bluetooth on, and then we go to telephone. It's come up, search for a new mobile phone. That's what I want to do. Or let's just try it another way. If we go to menu, and there you see you can go to telephone as well. So we'll go to telephone, click on telephone. So there's two ways to get to that screen. Search for new mobile phone. It's already found it there, but if I click that, and then please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile. Well, it is, so continue. It's looking for the device. My phone's found the car, just waiting for the car to find the phone. I could probably have shortcutted it by just clicking, it's come up here, Barry's iPhone 10. So want to select that, hands-free, connection's been established. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth 522594? Well, yes it does, so we'll click pair, and we'll click yes on there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'm going to use this car, so yep, we'll do that. And that's it connected.